Here we have it, the Game Vice Minecraft Bundle Edition. If you want to turn your iOS device into a Nintendo Switch, this is the way to go. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back. I couldn't stay away. I kept thinking about you every single day. This channel is my passion. And I'm back for good. And today, I have something to show you that will probably be of great interest to anyone who has been subscribed to me for a while. David, will you ever do a Minecraft Pocket Edition Let's Play again? No, probably not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But today, we'll have the next best thing because I'm going to be showing you the best way to play it. I keep hitting my hair with a mic. I just wanted really close to give you the best audio possible. The nice people over at Game Vice sent me this little package right here. Look at this paper. This is so fancy. The unboxing experience is already off to a good start. All right. Open this up. Here we have it, the Game Vice Minecraft Bundle Edition. The Game Vice, of course, being an iOS controller, and for this edition, they've partnered up with Minecraft, and already this box kinda looks like an epic Minecraft chest, a white Minecraft chest. I think we need a new texture pack where chests look just like this. And look at this. To get to the Ender Dragon, you have to go through an Ender portal. I appreciate the attention to detail. Hundreds of games available from our free app on the App Store. Game Vice Live. We're gonna be testing it out. Again, I don't even want to open this. It's just such a beautiful sticker. Look at this. How can I do this without compromising the integrity of this beautiful sticker? Oh, there you go. I'm an unboxing expert. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. Holy moly. This is super nice. Yo, this is super small. They give you this beautiful case. Unboxing experience on point. And over here, we have something else. Welcome to Minecraft. Explore randomly generated worlds and build amazing things from the simplest of homes to the grandest of castles. Because of course, this is a Minecraft bundle, you get a Minecraft Pocket Edition game code. I of course already have Minecraft on my iPhone. I feel like you probably do too. But if you don't, DM me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, and I'll just send you a picture of the code, I guess. Let's not have it go to waste. Valid in United States, Canada, and United Kingdom, apparently. So if you're from those countries, send me a DM. Whoever asks first gets it. If you're watching this video 3 months after it was posted, send me a DM anyway. I feel like everyone has Minecraft already. So you might get lucky. All right, unboxing experience, 10 out of 10. GG. Oh. This is beautiful. This is light, small. This is the actual device, the Game Vice. Oh, I see what you did there. Device, Game Vice. I thought they were just referencing gaming addiction. Anyway, let's open this up. Ooh. Oh, man. This is beautiful. So small, so compact. Are these like the batteries or something? I have my iPhone 6 Plus right here. I have my iPhone 10 over there as well. Maybe I'll test it with that in a little while. But first, let's try with this. Oh, there you go. That's how you do it. Hello. Ah, yes. I'm playing Minecraft right now. Let's download the Game Vice app. The cool thing about this controller is that it doesn't make your phone completely unusable while you have the controller on. The form factor just goes so well with the actual phone. So here you have a list of a bunch of games which are compatible with the Game Vice. Some very high quality games. You got your Asphalt 8, Angry Birds Go, Bully, Crazy Taxi, Final Fantasy games, GTA games, Halo games, Lego games, Minecraft of course, Minecraft Story Mode, Mortal Kombat, Rayman games, EA games, Binding of Isaac. Good stuff, man. Oh, these are featured. How about if we put all? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, never mind. 1,117 games available. Well, there you go. Anyway. Good catalog is the point I'm trying to make. But let us play some Minecraft. Just like that, I just open up the app. I don't need to sync anything. It seems to just be working. I click the menu, it goes to the menu. Praise the Lord. You can use a D-pad, you can use the joystick. Let's just play. Oh, the freedom a controller gives you. Oh, what a beautiful world. With crazy looking mountains and waterfalls and pigs. How about we play some Mineplex? Oh, die. Oh, I got you. I got you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But of course, the Game Vice is not only about Minecraft. The beautiful thing about gaming on iOS is the incredible library of games. So you might play something like Minecraft, or you might play something like Final Fantasy, or any of the other games we took a look at a moment ago. Final Fantasy VI, a classic. These type of games are some of the best games of all time, and you have it at your disposal on the iOS library at probably a very inexpensive price. What's up with the audio though? Oh. All this time I was playing... Oh snap! Leaf Bunny, attack the Leaf Bunny! We got them! We got them! Of course, with the Game Vice, you also have a headphone jack. Anyway, I like this. I like how small it is, how you can put it in this little case they include for you. You have even space for other stuff right here. Boom. You're ready to take your gaming on the go. For comparison's sake, this is the Game Vice and these are my Beats Wireless. My headphones right here, for which I need to change this anyway. Basically, if you want to turn your iOS device into a Nintendo Switch, this is the way to go. Have the Nintendo... It looks okay. Nothing seems to have broken. We'll see. This is the beautiful, wonderful Nintendo Switch, and this is an iPhone 6 Plus with the Game Vice. Different games, different experiences. Of course, the Nintendo Switch is like $300, each game is like $70, the AAA titles. However, I'm of the belief that your cell phone is the most basic of gadgets. We all have a cell phone. We not all have a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo DS or a PS Vita. Do they still make those? We don't all have a gaming PC. You can also invest in something like the Game Vice to take your mobile gaming to the next level. The games are so much more accessible. You got a game library of literally thousands upon thousands. And once you've covered your bases, then you can invest in something like the Nintendo Switch or a gaming PC. The phone is the fundamental gadget. We all have them. Oh, there's a little magnet here. Oh, nice. Dude, the attention to detail quality, cover your bases, invest in your fundamentals, then build upon that. The Game Vice is a great option for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. But either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The Xbox One X. Okay, oh my god. So why, Microsoft, why do you do this?